গুণোৎসৱৰ তৃতীয় পৰ্যায়ৰ ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকলৰ বাবে এই ভিডিঅ'টো আগবঢ়োৱা হৈছে। আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত ৰাইটিং স্কিলৰ কিছুমান টপিক তোমালোকক জনাই দিয়া হ'ব। ৰাইটিং স্কিলত এটা প্ৰশ্ন এনেকুৱা ধৰণে দিয়া থাকিব, Write a paragraph of 3 sentences on any one of the following topics. তলত উল্লেখ কৰা টপিকসমূহৰ পৰা তিনিটা বাক্যৰে এটা পেৰাগ্ৰাফ লিখা। আৰু সেই টপিকসমূহ আমি কেনেদৰে লিখিম চাওঁ আহা। প্ৰথমতে দিয়া আছে aim in life. Every man has an aim in life. Different men have different aim. My aim in life is to be doctor, teacher, good citizen. Newspaper. Reading newspaper is a good hobby. We should read newspaper. There are different types of newspaper. School library. A library is a place with a collection of books. There are different types of books in a library. I read books in the library. Importance of tree. Trees are integral part of human life. Without tree, life cannot survive. We should protect trees for oxygen. Kitchen garden. Every school has kitchen garden. We should prepare kitchen garden in our home too. Kitchen garden is essential for cooking. Morning assembly. Morning assembly is an integral part of a school. Different types of patriotic songs are sung in morning assembly. We always participate in morning assembly. My hobby. Different people have different hobbies. My favorite hobby is reading books. I spend my leisure time reading all types of books. My school. The name of my school is Paglahat High School. It is located near Paglahat Bazar. My school campus is very clean and we play a lot of sports there. COVID-19. COVID-19 is caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus. It is a global pandemic and serious threat to human health. It can cause mild to severe respiratory illness, including death. Sports. Sports are very essential part of life. It keeps us fit, healthy, and makes us active. It has various forms like indoor and outdoor. গতিকে গুণোৎসৱৰ পৰীক্ষাত যিকোনো এটা টপিক বাছনি কৰি মাত্ৰ 3 শাৰীকৈ বাক্য লিখি এটা পেৰাগ্ৰাফ বনাব পাৰিবা। গতিকে আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো ইমানতে সমাপ্ত হ'ল। ধন্যবাদ।